everybody. All right, so we are in for a few very cold days. So I am going to make chicken and rice soup. And the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to use rice that's already pre-boiled, olive oil, a bunch of garlic. I will put chicken in there toward the end because I don't need to cook it. And then I will thicken it up with cornstarch. And let's get going. Alrighty, as I get my water boiling, I am going to show you that I've added oil and the garlic to the water. That'll boil, and then I'll put the rice in just a little while. Alright, with my water boiling, I am going to go ahead and add in the rice. This will probably take about 3 or 4 minutes to loosen up a little bit, and then I'll put the chicken in and then the cornstarch. Alright, I'm getting ready to add the chicken, and this is another case where I'm adding the chicken along with all of the juice. I did add some salt to this because I realized I forgot to get my chicken broth out. So we're just going to use the chicken juices and some salt. Alright, this is doing terrific. All of the rice is nice and soft. The chicken is mixed in really well. And I'm just going to sprinkle in some cornstarch, and to be clear, the reason for the cornstarch is literally just to tighten it up a little bit. And to try to keep the cornstarch from clumping up on me, I basically just put some in a bowl and mix it in until I don't have any lumps in there anymore. So it's called a slurry, and that way when I put it in the soup, it will not clump up. I turned the heat off because it was boiling pretty good, and I'm going to put the cornstarch mix in now and just keep stirring it because it will thicken up pretty quickly. And this just makes a nice thick soup this way. Yep, there you go. You can start to see that it's thickening up a little bit. All right. Gonna let this just sit and cool for a few minutes, and then have some nice soup. I will go in for a little taste test while we're here as I'm finishing it. It's going to be pretty hot, so we'll see. Okay, flavor's really, really good. I do wish I had some chicken broth to have put in here, but this flavor is good. Really nice, flavorful, and thick. Worked out really good.